Ladies and gentlemen and cabin crew, this is your captain speaking. Thank you for flying with us today. We should be expecting a slight turbulence ahead of our scheduled flight path. We do apologize in advance for any discomfort. I hope you enjoy your time with us as we are with you. Don't worry, we're not going to crash. Thank you.
Dude, I totally believed you.
I know, right? We're gonna die for sure.
Oh yeah, sure.
I'm gonna miss you.
Oh yeah, sure.
Could the cabin crew please make your way into the cockpit for a briefing?
Yes, Captain. You call me?
That will be all. Ladies and gentlemen, this is your captain speaking.
What? This was your captain speaking. He spoke, didn't he? What else do you want? This was your captain speaking. He spoke.
Ladies and gentlemen, we will now commence the cleaning of the aircraft. Please make your way outside.
This way, sir. We need the plane clean for landing.
Hold up! We're at 40,000 feet in the air!
All right, sorry. Let me go down to 35,000 feet.
Wait, what's that in metric? Yeah!
Could the cabin crew please make your way into the cockpit for a super duper tiny briefing?
Yes, Captain. What is it now?
That is all.
Fool me once, shame on me. Fool me twice, shame on me.
Say cheese!
Wait, who's flying the plane?
Say cheese!
Could the cabin crew please make your way into the cockpit for a sneaky, silent, but deadly briefing?
Take that! We don't need to stop for gas anymore!
Cabin crew, prepare for turbulence.
Hi, excuse me. I was looking out the window and I think you took a wrong turn.
Yeah, I think my GPS isn't working. Well, it looks like my phone is on airplane mode. How ironic is that?
It's fine. When you hit the red light, just go straight. Wait, actually...
What? Why should he use that?
I think it's
dude?
left right here.
This guy doesn't know what he's doing! Why didn't you turn left over India?
Come on,
We're going that way!
Ladies and gentlemen, please prepare for actual turbulence.
So low! That right